LM Studio versus Open WebUI is a crucial choice for anyone looking to enhance their AI experience. Selecting the right interface can completely change how you interact with AI without the frustration of complicated setups. LM Studio and Open WebUI are both powerful AI interfaces, but they cater to different needs. LM Studio focuses on streamlined user experience and robust features, while Open WebUI emphasizes flexibility and customization options for advanced users. LM Studio is an intuitive AI interface designed for ease of use and efficiency. It provides a user-friendly environment that allows users to quickly access various AI tools and features. With its clean layout, users can seamlessly navigate through options, making it ideal for beginners or those who prefer a straightforward approach. The strengths of LM Studio lie in its simplicity and robust support for various AI models, making it an excellent choice for users who want to get started without a steep learning curve. However, its limitations include less flexibility for customization compared to other platforms. Ideal users are those looking for a quick setup and a focus on functionality over extensive customization. Open WebUI is a versatile AI interface that prioritizes flexibility and customization. It allows users to tailor their experience by adjusting various settings and integrating different AI models according to their specific needs. With a more complex layout, Open WebUI is well suited for advanced users who want to maximize their control over the AI tools they use. Its strengths include extensive customization options and support for a wide range of AI functionalities, catering to developers and tech-savvy individuals. However, this complexity can be a drawback for newcomers who may find the interface overwhelming. Ideal users are those who are comfortable with technology and seek a more personalized approach to their AI interactions. When comparing LM Studio and Open WebUI, consider your specific needs. For users who value simplicity and a quick setup, LM Studio shines with its user-friendly interface and efficient access to AI tools. It's perfect for those who want to dive into AI without extensive technical knowledge. On the other hand, Open WebUI offers greater customization and flexibility, making it ideal for advanced users who want to fine-tune their AI experience. However, this comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve. If you prefer a straightforward approach, LM Studio is the way to go, while Open WebUI is better suited for those who enjoy tinkering and personalizing their tools. For users seeking an easy-to-use interface, LM Studio is the clear choice. Its straightforward design makes it perfect for anyone new to AI. If you're an advanced user looking for customization and flexibility, Open WebUI is your best bet. It allows you to tailor your AI experience to fit your unique needs. Choose wisely to enhance your AI interactions effectively.